In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone records in HubSpot using the new duplication feature. This process will help you efficiently manage your contact information by easily creating copies of existing records. Let's dive right in and explore how this is done. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot platform. Once you're there, head over to your dashboard by clicking on the Trial Guide link. This section of HubSpot will provide a comprehensive overview of all the professional tools you have at your disposal, including sales features. And next, to access your list of contacts, click on the Contacts section. This is where all your contact records are stored and managed. You'll see a detailed list of individuals and their corresponding information, making it easy to track interactions and updates. Within your contacts, locate the sample contact, Brian Halligan. Clicking on this name will open up a detailed view of the specific contact's record, displaying fields such as email, first name, last name, and more, all of which are essential for managing your customer relationships. Now, direct your attention to the highlighted areas of this contact's record. These highlights denote sections you can modify or duplicate. Clicking on the highlight will offer a range of options for managing the data within the record. Continuing on, find the Clone option. This feature allows you to duplicate an entire record with just one click, creating a new entry with the same information. Cloning is particularly useful when you need to retain the same data structure for a contact, but apply to different roles or actions. Once you've selected Clone, you'll be able to specify which pieces of the record, such as email, first name, last name, contact owner, and job title, you wish to include in the duplication. Simply click on each relevant section to ensure it is incorporated into the clone. Be sure you're satisfied with all chosen details before proceeding. Double-check these fields to confirm that everything you want duplicated is properly selected. Accuracy is important here to prevent any miscommunication or data inconsistencies down the line. Finally, complete the process by clicking Clone once more. This action will finalize the duplication, creating a new record with the selected details from your original contact, Brian Halligan. You now have an identical record ready to customize, update, or assign as needed. This new duplication feature in HubSpot streamlines the effort involved in managing your contacts, giving you more time to focus on what's truly important, cultivating strong relationships and closing deals. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and replicate contact records whenever necessary. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to effectively clone records in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more features in HubSpot to maximize your workflow efficiency. Happy cloning!